So I got the iCover grill cover and I absolutely love it. Inside of it, you can see, well, outside it has a really nice, strong, durable, whereas inside has this waterproof material and the stitching is amazing. It also has Velcro clips right there. So I was able to easily put it over my grill. The one I got is about 50 inches long. So it fit perfectly. I liked how it fit, and I like that I could use the handle to remove it, and this Velcro area I was able to secure it to give it a tighter hold. One thing that I noticed was at the bottom, you can see, just make sure that you cover the wheels, you cover everything, and as you can see, it covers really nicely. um yeah, I wish it was a little bit longer, but it's okay. I think this is very durable, unlike the one I had before that tore within a few months. I like it.